gonna decorate toilet paper rolls for Easter. Take your toilet paper roll, and for this one, we're actually gonna cut it in half. Sometimes the first part of the cut can be a little hard, but then you stick your scissors in and you just cut all around the roll. I'm gonna use this one. We don't need this one anymore. Bye-bye. So we have our small piece of toilet paper roll. Now it's time to cover it. So take your green piece of construction paper and line it up just like we did for the chicken and the bunny. So line up your toilet paper roll with the edge of the paper, get your ruler, but instead of cutting it right at the edge, we're gonna give it a little extra space so that we can make some grass on top of our basket. And cut. Now while we're here, we're gonna make a handle for our basket. Take your ruler, line it up, and cut one more time. We want to make some grass at the top of our basket just to give it a little bit of texture and to make it really fun for spring. You take your scissors and you simply cut little slices along the top of the construction paper. And these are the blades of grass. Now let's wrap it around our roll. The grass will just be a little bit taller than the rest of the basket. So we've covered our roll, but it doesn't quite look like a basket yet. We need to add the handle. And we need 2 pieces of tape. Take your handle, give it a gentle fold so that it loops like a normal basket handle would. Stick one end in, press it into place, and do the same thing on the opposite side. Let's put some flowers on our basket. For this, I'm going to return to the construction paper from my bunny and chicken, the pink and the yellow, and I'm going to cut some little flowers out of this. Take your pen and draw 3 flower shapes. Cut them out with your scissors. Okay, we're almost done here. I've got 6 flowers here, and now it's time to glue them on to my basket. And now we've got flowers covering our basket. The very last finishing touch is to glue on little pom-poms for the center of the flowers. So I'm going to take my glue, a blob in the middle of each flower. That's where the pom-poms are going to go. Our basket is all done. Well, it's almost done. I'm going to put this little egg in it. There we go.